about 80 degrees in balance and have a lot of fun here in the shop. Fuel washer on the CJ5. Texas orange is laid toting door drive list to the ball games around downtown DC. We put LED tail light today, and come up here and look. You can see we've got a lot of furniture to do on the inside. And you might have enjoyed us looking at the engine bay because we painted the engine. We did not overhaul this motor, but we have cleaned all this up. It's going to be a gorgeous CJ5 with a all finished. Lots of fun doing work on this. We put a 4-barrel carburetor on it. We got power brakes on it. We're going to put power steering on it. Install the LD here, put some music in it, make it into a fun Jeep to drive.